Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love with Ethna. Now the winter season is almost gone and now you can see my chrysanthemums, all the plants are already give their best flowers to me, and now this is the actual process of how to cutting off the branches of chrysanthemum and also keep all these plants healthy and fresh and for giving next year flowering. Okay, so now I am taking a scissor and cut it off all the branches, all the old branches. Those branches already give me the flowers. We have to cut it off. Yes, definitely this is a very tough work for us, those who are love gardening or love plants. For us it is very pathetic to be cut off all the plants, because really I am feeling very bad when I am cut it off the branches, but we have to do, because if we are not cutting off the branches and proper process if we are not following, then for next year we cannot get the maximum amount of flower or buds from that particular plants. Yes, you can keep all these branches or suckers just onto the sand, but I am not doing so. I am just keep all the suckers here, all the suckers here. I am not keeping the suckers onto the sand, because there is no need. They are already 4 5 years old, 4 years old almost, my maximum chrysanthemum plants, and I'm always keeping my chrysanthemum like this way for the next year. And definitely I will give some food after 7 days and keep the plants just in a lowest maximum heat. I am not store them just under the sunlight, because no need to be give too much of sunlight, because this is the Jan, almost the season of winter is gone. But here you can see I have already cut it off all the branches like this, like this. I am not keeping the branches onto the sand. I am keeping all the branches like this way, and only the suckers or small plants that are comes out, they will be like this. So you can see how do I cut off my plants. You can see these plants are not having any suckers, so I have to carefully cutting off the branches. Cutting off the branches. I'm keeping, if you finding out there is no suckers like that. You can find out very small little branches comes out, but no such enough amount of suckers I can find out from this particular plant. So if you facing this, so you have to cutting the branches carefully. Okay. There is no need of any supporting right now. Okay, without supporting they will be growing healthy. So this is the video all about. I will be cutting off all my chrysanthemum plants. So my plants will be flowering well for the next season too, because after that, after 7 days, I will giving some mustard coal or peas coal, like nuts coal. That is maybe that is actually you can find out in any nursery. So this is the process I have taken. You can put all the plants, all the saplings, anything you can say, onto the sand for the next year. But here I am not reporting or not just procure my plants for the next year onto the sand. So this is the process I have taken, and this is the friend you can see. Already I have demonstrated and also described the age of my plants. They are 3-4 years old plants, and this is the process I have taken each and every year, and this is the process you can take for your plants too, for the chrysanthemum plants too. And keep all the plants in not in a heat. Okay, you can take, because March April are having a scorching heat, and because my flower garden is on the roof, so that is why I always have a planning to how to procure them well. So friends, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye. This is the whole plants of my garden. I have like to see sharing the view of my plants. So tata, bye bye. Have a nice day, have a wonderful day.